Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your PayPal to GCash, even if the names on the accounts are different. We'll cover the essential requirements you need to meet before starting. Then, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to successfully connect these two platforms. Finally, we'll discuss common issues you might encounter and provide helpful tips for troubleshooting, ensuring your transactions are smooth and hassle-free. This guide aims to simplify the process for everyone. Before attempting to link your accounts, it's crucial to ensure both your PayPal and GCash profiles are fully verified. This often involves submitting identification documents. Additionally, your GCash account should have a linked bank account or a debit card, as this facilitates the transfer process. Be prepared that linking accounts with different names might require extra verification steps or a manual review from customer support, so having your documents ready is key. To begin the linking process, open your GCash app and navigate to the Cash-in section. From there, select the PayPal option among the various cash-in methods. You will then be prompted to enter your PayPal login credentials to authorize the connection securely. Carefully follow all on-screen instructions, paying close attention to any prompts regarding name discrepancies. A confirmation notification or an updated account status will indicate a successful link, usually within a few moments. If you encounter any difficulties, first double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy. Minor typos can prevent successful linking. For persistent errors, especially due to name differences, it's best to contact GCash or PayPal customer support directly. They can provide specific guidance. As an alternative, if direct linking proves challenging, consider using a verified bank account as an intermediary to transfer funds between PayPal and GCash, offering another reliable pathway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.